Have you ever wanted to display text on the entire screen in Google Docs? Google Docs has a unique feature, Pageless, that is document without pages. Go to the File menu, then select Page Setup, click on Pageless and OK. Although we now have a document without pages, we cannot type the text anywhere, but only in the given frame. True, we can zoom in on the document and then reduce the font size, but this is not a practical solution. Do the following instead. Insert one table cell into the document. Go to Insert, then select Table and one cell. Now stretch the cell left, right, and down. We can notice that now we have no limitations. We can enter the text outside the initial given frame. Let's insert some text. We see that now we have the text on the entire page. Want more tricks like this? Write to us or leave a comment. Thank you for watching.